Windows play a crucial role in home security, acting as both an entry point for potential intruders and a barrier against forced entry. For homeowners in Tysons, choosing the right windows can significantly improve safety while also enhancing the comfort and aesthetic appeal of their homes. If you're looking to improve your home's security, here's what you need to know about the role of windows and the best options available. Why windows matter for home security. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars, making their security features a key consideration in home protection. Poorly installed, outdated, or low-quality windows can be easily broken or manipulated, giving intruders easy access to your home. Upgrading to secure windows can deter break-ins, provide peace of mind, and protect your family and valuables. Key features of secure windows. When selecting windows for security, consider the following features to ensure optimal protection. Impact-resistant glass. Standard window glass can be shattered easily, allowing quick entry for intruders. Impact-resistant glass, such as laminated or tempered glass, is much harder to break. Even if shattered, laminated glass holds together, preventing easy access. Reinforced window frame. Strong frames made from materials like fiberglass, aluminum, or reinforced vinyl are more durable than traditional wooden frames. These materials resist forced entry and reduce the likelihood of break-ins. Multi-point locking system. Single-point locks can be easily tampered with. Multi-point locking systems secure the window at multiple locations, making it more difficult to force open. Window sensors and smart technology. Integrating window sensors and smart security systems can enhance home security. Sensors detect when a window is tampered with or broken, triggering alarms and alerts to homeowners or security companies. Window bars or security film. For an extra layer of protection, security bars or a transparent security film can be installed. Security film strengthens glass, making it shatter-resistant, while decorative security bars prevent forced entry without sacrificing aesthetics. Best window options for Tysons residents. Given the suburban-urban mix of Tysons, residents need windows that offer both security and energy efficiency. Here are some of the best window options. Casement windows. Casement windows are one of the most secure window options because they latch securely and cannot be pried open from the outside when locked. Their design prevents easy tampering and is ideal for security-conscious homeowners. Double-hung windows with reinforced locks. Traditional double-hung windows can be vulnerable if not secured properly. Choosing reinforced models with strong locks and security film makes them a safer choice for Tysons residents. Impact-resistant windows. For homeowners looking for superior security, impact-resistant windows provide the best defense. These windows are made with laminated glass and strong frames, ensuring they withstand force and potential break-ins. Smart windows with security sensors. Modern smart windows with built-in security sensors can alert homeowners of unauthorized entry attempts. These windows can be integrated with home security systems for enhanced protection. Additional tips to improve window security. In addition to choosing secure windows, Tysons homeowners can take extra precautions to improve their home's overall security. Install motion-activated lights. Exterior lighting can deter burglars by making it difficult to approach windows undetected. Trim landscaping near windows. Overgrown bushes and trees can provide cover for intruders. Keeping landscaping maintained eliminates hiding spots. Use window coverings. Curtains or blinds can prevent outsiders from seeing inside your home, reducing the likelihood of targeted break-ins. Upgrade to smart security systems. Consider installing cameras, alarms, and smart locks to monitor and protect your home effectively. Final thoughts. Windows play a vital role in home security, and upgrading to more secure window options is a smart investment for Tysons residents. Impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, and advanced locking mechanisms can deter intruders and protect your home. Whether you're upgrading your windows or integrating smart security features, taking steps to secure your windows enhances safety and provides long-term peace of mind.